Ready to feel your music, not just hear it? Today we're counting down the top 5 car speakers for deep bass in 2025. Perfect for anyone wanting serious low-end power without needing a full subwoofer setup. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the ROCKFORD FOSGATE P1683 3-punch series 6x8-inch speaker. Built for tight, punchy bass response, these 3-way full-range speakers feature ROCKFORD's famous flex-fit basket for easy installation and optimal alignment. The injection-molded polypropylene cone combined with a butyl rubber surround delivers strong mid-bass punch and reduces distortion at higher volumes. Rated for 65 watts ERMS and 130 watts peak, they're perfect for factory head units or mild aftermarket amps. If you want dependable deep bass that's still crisp and dynamic, the ROCKFORD FOSGATE Punch P1683S are an outstanding upgrade in 2025. Next up, the JBL GTO 629 Premium 6.5-inch coaxial speakers. Engineered with JBL's patented +1 trademark woofer cone technology, these speakers offer a larger surface area for deeper, more powerful bass output. Their edge-driven soft dome tweeters produce smooth, detailed highs without overpowering the low-end punch. Rated for 60 watts RMS with a low 3 ohm impedance, they maximize your factory or aftermarket system's potential. Thanks to their wide frequency range and solid bass depth, the GTO 629s are an excellent choice if you're looking for full-bodied sound and deep bass without adding a subwoofer. If you're looking for solid bass performance on a tight budget, check out the Pioneer TSF1634R 6.5-inch 2-way speaker. These lightweight yet responsive speakers use a reinforced polypropylene cone for surprisingly strong bass punch at this price point. Rated at 25 watts RMS and 200 watts peak, they deliver impressive clarity and tight bass for everyday driving. While they may not rattle your mirrors, they provide a noticeable improvement over stock speakers, especially in the low and mid-bass range. For affordable, satisfying bass without breaking the bank, the TSF1634R speakers are a fantastic 2025 option. Coming in strong are the Kicker 43D SC6 504 DS Series 6.5-inch speakers. Known for their punchy and aggressive sound profile, these speakers feature rigid polypropylene cones and high-sensitivity motors to deliver bass you can feel. With 60 watts RMS and 240 watts peak handling, the DSC 6504S thrive, whether you're using a stock head unit or a small external amplifier. Their thin mounting profile makes them easy to fit into most vehicles, while the PEI dome tweeters keep the highs crisp and clean. If you want that classic kicker bass, tight, fast, and full, without installing a full subwoofer, these speakers absolutely deliver. Finally, let's talk about the KENWOOD Case C66S6x9 3-way speakers. These speakers are designed to move a lot of air, and that means a serious bass. The enlarged woofer cone area helps produce deep lows and a powerful mid-bass response that fills your car without needing extra amplification. Rated at 45 watts RMS and up to 400 watts peak, they can handle loud volumes easily. Plus, their balanced dome tweeters maintain clean highs, ensuring your bass never sounds muddy. If you want rich room-filling bass and a simple speaker upgrade for 2025, the KENWOOD KFC 6966 should be high on your list. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best car speakers for deep bass in 2025. From ROCKFORD's punchy performance to KENWOOD's booming lows, there's something here for every budget and bass lover.